Well, we got the old log loaded up on the old homemade sawmill. We got our Timbercat 2020. Now we got a lapel mic on because we had some people complain last time they couldn't hear us too well. But we hope the lapel mic works well. We got our old Kubota there. Now we got to give the Kubota a plug. It's a pretty good little old tractor for what we're doing here now. Let's see if we can get the old Timbercat 2020 homemade sawmill cranked up. See if we can start cutting this old Mesquite, South Texas Mesquite Log. It'll be pretty interesting what comes out of this one. But today, guys, we're going to be cutting this old Mesquite log here. Let me get the old sawmill warmed up. Get our watershed here. Let's see what's going to happen. I've cut that old high spot off of it right away. Oh, maybe a little bit more. All right. That'll warm up just a few more minutes. Everything else looks pretty good. Give us some RPM. Got a little rock in the log, we're going to have to reset it. Let me push that log over just a little bit. Let's see if we can do that without tearing the tractor up or tearing up the machine and tearing up the logs. That might work right there. We'll give it a shot and see, won't we? Yeah, it's pretty hard when you're a one-man band. Let's put the log on it. Let's see if it's going to make it. There comes the mailman. I can hear a speed racer half a mile away. I think that'll take some of the rock out of it. We'll have to reset it in a little while. But right now I believe it should be all right. Take some of that wobble out of it. hard, and it actually maybe you can see it on the camera, but you see what happened there? It kicked that old guide roller completely sideways. Let's break it all the way off and let's continue to cut. Now there you go. Now I'm not sure you can see that from that view, but let me take it over here to the other camera. Now keep in mind that I broke this off. It kicked it around, and there we go. I'm not sure if you see that or not. I didn't have it welded very good, and I'm not sure what hit what. So we had a malfunction here, but we'll get it back on track. We're gonna cut with only one blade guide roller. We're gonna see how this comes out. Well, if you want my opinion, there's a whole lot of do's and don'ts in this video. One of them is don't cut a log without it being locked down, and flip it over sooner than I'm going to flip it over. And it'll make things a whole lot easier for you when you're cutting. You won't have all that wobble and wiggle and wiggle and all that stuff. And I'm going to clean some of this off here, because I know that you're just dying to see what this mesquite log look like, right? I bet you are. I guess earlier what happened was that that blade just kind of grabbed that edge of that back there and sent it into shock. Okay. Woo. Some pretty wide slabs here. They're probably pushing close to 20 inches, 22 inches, maybe 24 on the big end. So overall, some pretty nice wood. There's what the mesquite look like. South Texas mesquite. Really, really pretty grain patterns. Very nice. And again, I hope you can hear me over the road noise. But we're kind of close to it. And here's the log that we're cutting. Well, all right, guys. Thumbs up, like, subscribe.